Okay, hi all. This time we will have compound interest here. Please note that in the question, you will obviously see compound interest, the word here. Okay? Now, for Kathy, deposit 30,000 here. So for this one, you call principal once again. For 12% PA, you now this time is the interest rate. And then the period will be 2 years here. So this is called period. But please pay attention. For part A, you will compound yearly. That means that we will count the interest every year. So what can we do? Now, for the amount compound yearly, that is 30,000. So the principal, 30,000. And the interest rate, 12%. And the period is 2 years. Okay, 1 plus 12%, sorry, not 20%, 1 plus 12%. But this time, because we are going to deposit 2 years, but compound yearly, that means we will count interest 2 times. Okay? For the first year, we will have 1 time. For the second year, we will have the second time. So we will have this formula. And the final answer we will have is 1.12 square times, that is 37632. Please pay attention. For this question, for compound interest, the first thing you are going to calculate is the amount. But for simple interest, the first thing you are going to calculate is the interest. So what if you're going to find the interest compound yearly? So you must minus the principal, that is 30,000. So the final answer is 7,632. So the interest compound yearly. Okay, now next one, we are going to find the amount compound half yearly. So what is the difference between the questions for A part? First of all, we have 30,000 once again. But for interest, because you know that the 12% PA is for year, but for half year, we will not use the 1 per year. We will find the half year interest rate, that is 12% divided by 2, that is half year. So the answer is 6% here. 6% here. So we will have 6% here. We will have, once again, 30,000 here. But how many times you are going to count is that for every half year, you will count once. So 2 years, that means that is 4 times. That means the first year June, and the first year December, and the second year June, and the second year December, for example, okay? So we'll have 4 times. 1.06 with the power 4 times 30,000. You will got the answer is 37874. Okay? Maybe you will see something called 0.3 something, that is okay. Maybe 0.31, that is okay. Okay, finally, we're going to find out the interest. That is 7,874.31. Okay, we have these two. Okay, last one. Hope you know that how to do the compound monthly. Okay, now I will give you 1 minute to do the compound monthly on page 6, and I will teach you after 1 minute. Okay, now, if you cannot finish the question, never mind. Please pause the YouTube. And now I will teach you how to do compound monthly. First of all, in this question, the principal, once again, is the 30,000. For the interest rate, this time is compound monthly. That means we are going to find out the monthly interest rate. For year interest rate, that is 12%. For the month, you will divide it by 12, so you got 1% here. For the period, still once again, 2 years. Okay, now we have 30,000, once again here. This time is 1%. So what is the power of it? Every month we will count interest. 1 year, we will have 12 times. For 2 years, we will have 24 times. Okay, so although you think this is big, but in case this is not too big, okay? 1.01 with the power 24, that is 1.269734649 times 30,000. You will see the answer is $38,092.04. Okay, now after you minus it, the interest will be 8,000. Okay, you will think that the number is bigger and bigger. That means because if it compounds frequently, the interest you will get is more and more. So please pay attention. So once again, please pay attention. For the calculation, for compound interest, first of all, you must know the percentage here. You must depends on the compound monthly, compound yearly, compound quarterly, compound half yearly. So first of all, you must divide your interest rate, that is the yearly interest rate. Secondly, you must count carefully how many times in these years you count. Okay, next one, please pay attention. For compound interest, you are going to find the amount first. Find out the amount first, and finally you will find the interest by minus. But for simple interest, pay attention. You will find the simple interest first, and you will add back the principal and find the amount. Okay, so that's all of today. So please pay attention.